Hello guys, my name is Kaimana Kane and I just built a vision board. And as you can see, there are various things with a giant diversity of pictures, stuff, words on there. And I'm going to be telling you how I made this. So first, I thought of what I really wanted. Like, do I want an orange Ferrari? Do I want a bunch of gold and silver? Do I want to be a really healthy man? Or, yeah, stuff like that. So first I thought of what I really wanted. Second, I printed out the pictures and glued them on the corners and also the middle. Third, I wrote the affirmation that I say every day or two, or maybe 3 if you want. And just as many as you think you need. And also I thought I'd include a photo of myself over here with my sister. And words, important words to me. And yeah, so...
What are the important words? What are those?
I can't see it from here, but like some of them are lead, love, inspire, create, billionaire, God, and Jesus.
Why is billionaire an important word for you?
Because I want to become a billionaire.
All right. It's the other vision board from your little over there was written. Also
This
billionaire
one's
on there.
2.0.
All right. Well, this is this year's. So we're going to take down the other one and put that one up, right?
Yeah.
And why do you want a Rolex?
I think a Rolex looks really cool.
And what else?
And I have things like a
Well-
UFO.
Well, before we go to the UFO, the Rolex is also, well, is it a good investment?
Yeah, it's a really good investment.
Do they go down? Do they depreciate in value?
No, they appreciate. Or
Appreciate.
appreciate.
All right, what's this? The UFO. Tell us about the UFO.
So I want to live in a UFO. It might sound crazy. I might sound crazy, but I think it can happen.
I think you're more and more like your mom, part
No.
alien. Da 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 da. Not the illegal kind either. This is cool. A lot of cool stuff in here. Is that a picture of your dad?
No.
No.
Not even close.
Yeah, Daddy's a lot bigger and stronger. Got it.
No, a lot fatter. Just kidding.
Are you wearing a cup?
All
right.
right.
So if people want to do this, what's the reason for this?
Just to like create goals in your life, because you don't want to live your life not knowing what your goals are, not knowing like what your affirmations want to be.
What's
like,
an affirmation?
An affirmation is like if you want I don't know, a type of hat, just keep on thinking about it, and it's the law of attraction about the universe. And like imagine you're at a restaurant and you put an order. You know the order's coming, but you just don't know when the order's coming. So that's basically the law of attraction. You're putting it out in the universe, and you don't know when it's going to come back to you, but you know, or you think it will come back to you.
Because you believe it will. Like you said, when you go to a restaurant, you order a hamburger from the waitress. You know it's coming. You just don't know when. Is it
You just don't know when.
5 minutes? Is it 20 minutes? Is it?
An hour?
Yeah. So awesome.
Yeah.
Anything else?
No, I don't think.
So this is kind of to live the life you want, put your goals, your dreams, ambitions. If you see it every day, if you look at it on the wall, like next to your bed, you can look at it, you can say the affirmations, you can really believe that it's happening. So you'd say like, I am wealthy, I am strong, I am healthy, I am smart. You know, not like I want to be, it's like I am. Very powerful, the two most powerful words.
I am. And I also received signs from the other ones when I started doing it a few years ago. And when I thought about the mansion, I started seeing mansions that exact image of that mansion when my dad was scrolling through some sort of social media, and he saw like a motivation post with that exact mansion. So that just proves it's real.
Yeah, no, it's one way. When you start thinking about something a lot, you don't know how you're going to get it. You just know that it's coming if you believe it.
So that's the law of attraction. That's how to make a vision board. And that's Kaimana Kane.